Coupe, and this is my science fair project. So here is the flame control box, and then this is the flask that we pour hot water into, and we have a thermometer from a lab. This is what it would look inside. And it's supposed to be like a miniature representation of a beehive. This here is a corrugated plastic one. Has like corrugated plastic and it's all bandaged up, it's all good. This is what, it's just the same in the inside, just corrugated plastic. This is the styrofoam. This is pretty beefy. So yeah, and we got like all rope set up. Keep it nice and strong. Pretty similar, it's like just like a miniature beehive. And then this is like the grand one, the styrofoam and corrugated plastic. So it's fully covered. Everything has something over it. Has a full layer all around of corrugated plastic. And then 3/4 of it has the styrofoam. So this is our beehive, and it worked great last year. They were very warm and well fed. Unfortunately, we extracted a little too much honey and they did starve, but it worked last year, so that's good. We also did have to add another super, that's why it's looking kind of ugly, but because we just had a lot of bees and they were growing and there's a lot of bees. So you could think of it that the water is pretty much the bees. We're like treating the water like our bees, so we need to keep it warm, and so the bees can survive. Because if the water is not warm, it'll cool down way too fast, and then the water, we could say, would die. Then that would be the bees dying. So then you get no honey. So yeah. So right now we're just doing a little demonstration run. So first we need to measure the air temperature. It is 0. Then we measure the temperature of the water, which is 50. Alright. So then, place it in. Put on the lid. And we'd usually wait about 1 hour to 1 hour and a half until we opened it up. And also for your information, we would do that for each box and have a control outside on the ground.
We took 2 kinds of temperature measurements, air temperature and hot water temperature. Here we see differences between temperature inside the box and outside the box. For all 4 jacket types, there are the morning averages. There is very little difference between the inside and the outside in the morning. For the differences at nightfall, we see that it is warmest in the boxes, especially the combination jacket. Comparing drops in hot water temperature between inside and outside, we say that the temperature drops slower inside the box, especially combination jack, styrofoam, and corrugated plastic.
So in Smithers it is very cold, so we need to have proper, good insulation, just like our beehive over there. And so this is, it's just like that. And on our beehive, we have the core, the styrofoam and corrugated plastic, because that was the best one after all of our research.